Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to open the legacy control panel on Windows 11 with a few quick and easy methods. If you've been missing the classic control panel, don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to get it back in just a few seconds. First, right-click on the Start menu. Then, click on Windows PowerShell. Type the command shown. You can also enter the same command in the Run dialog. Press Enter. Now you'll see that the classic control panel has opened. Let's look at the second method. Open File Explorer. In the address bar at the top, type Control Panel. Press Enter. Again, you'll see the classic control panel open. Now for the third method. Right-click on an empty area of the desktop. Go to New, Shortcut. Type the required command here. Click Next. Enter a name of your choice. Click Finish. Now open the shortcut. You'll see the classic control panel open. And that's it. Now you know 3 different ways to open the legacy control panel on Windows 11 quickly and easily. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Windows tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.